Hello friends. I'm gonna have to record like this because I'm having trouble with my tripod, so I can't move. But I'm right here. I ordered some Doc Marten boots off of Mercari. I got these for $51, which is pretty good because if you know Doc Martens, they go for at least $100. Okay, hopefully that is better. I had to change it around. But anyways, so I got these off of Mercari. I'm having to rig it up with my cell phone using the extra light that I need. Just regular, standard, original. Don't even know if you can see that. But yeah. So I had to do some research on how to maintain these because I've never had a pair of them before. And I wanted to make sure they lasted as long as they could because until I'm able to get a brand new pair, I wanted to get these so I can make sure I know how to take care of them so I don't ruin the other ones that I get, the brand new ones. So I read online that you need to get this Doc Marten Wonder Balsam. I think that's how you say it. And I got this from the actual website. It was $10. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It has the little sponge thing. And I guess this is like a cap. And then that's the actual stuff. I have never used this stuff before. This is, like I said, this is my first pair of Doc Martens. So I figured I would do a review on this stuff to see, because these are in okay condition. They're not perfect, but they have a little bit of creasing right here and a little bit of scuffing right here. And I just want to make sure they last as long as they can while I have them. I don't really care about the little bit of wear on them. That doesn't bother me at all. But I don't want the leather to dry out and mess up. And plus, I heard that you're supposed to break them in. I don't know if that just goes for brand new ones or not, but I have my feet are a smidge wider than regular sized feet, I guess you would say. And so I heard that if you put this on the leather and then stuff like a t-shirt or something inside of it, it helps break in the leather without having to wear them, because it can cause a lot of pain in your feet when you're trying to break them in, especially since I've never worn these before, I've never had a pair before. I guess we could just do this together because I don't really know what I'm doing. I did look up some reviews or some videos on how to use it. So I guess you just, it looks like that when you get it on. It's clear, well, relatively clear. So I guess you just get that much. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shoestrings out. That's nice. It goes on really easy. Get a little bit more. Ooh. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's too much. Okay. I'm trying to get, like, make sure I get into the little crevices where the boot creases up at, because Feels a little dry there. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I'm huffing and puffing in this room. It's no ventilation at all. It's so hot in here. I don't really know how much is too much. I keep getting globs by accident. I don't want to do too much of it. Okay, these crevices. Honestly, I don't think the person who ever had these ever used this balm on it, because the leather felt really dry before I started doing this. It looks really good. Okay, so I don't really know what to do. I read that you're supposed to stuff like a shirt or something on the inside to try to stretch the leather out. But I don't really know what size the thing is supposed to be. I just have a pair of my leggings, so I'm just trying to, or my workout pants, or whatever you want to call them. I don't really know what to do. What am I doing? I don't know what's too thick and what's not. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess just stuff it in there. Fortunately, I bought these in time to actually stretch them out without having to wear them, because we're still in the summertime, technically. Even though the weather has been... I'll try this, because I don't really know. Maybe I'm just using like, I don't know what to do. So I need to be able to stuff it into the toe part. Go in there. Alright, well, my camera fell. I got really scared because I thought I broke it. And I thought that I lost all my footage from just a minute ago. But, you see how when I first started it was, really creased, but I stuffed a dress in there that I had, or a little cloth, like, sundress. So I'm just going to go back over the little creases right here. Because it's, the reviews say that it softens the leather so it can stretch more. And I wanted to get these broke in before fall came. So, and that's how they look after one coat. And I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just, I don't know. So that's the first one. Move on to the next one. Oh my gosh, that scared the life out of me. Hopefully that's not too crooked. I'm getting a new tripod tomorrow. That is ridiculous. Okay. And here's how this one looks. I don't know if you can tell the difference. this one who has, which one? This one hasn't had any of the Wonder Balsam, and this one has. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I'll take a picture and insert it so you can see the difference. So I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna put the material in there first. I don't know how that's gonna work. We're gonna try it because I don't know which way it would be easier. Start stuffing in the toe and just keep pushing and keep pushing until you can get it in there. See, now it's really tight. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh no, I think it was this side I started on. Here is my boots after treated. I think they look really good. I don't really know how this whole stretching thing works, but we'll see. But this is Doc Martens Wonder Balsam. I got this from the docmartens.com website, $10. Not too badly priced, and I didn't use that much either. I didn't even use that much, so I think it's a pretty good deal. I think this stuff is gonna, see. I think it's gonna last me a pretty good while. So anyways, I'm gonna close out. It's just a review on Doc Martens Wonder Balsam. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I really don't know, honestly. But this was just a review on this stuff. I did get these off of Macari, not sponsored of course, but I got these and I got another pair from there. Those are cheaper than these. Those are only $38. I'm going to be doing a video on those. They have their smaller floral pattern, but they're scuffed on the sides, so I'm going to try to repair a little bit of that, make them a little bit better looking, and then I'm going to treat them with this stuff right here. So hopefully that's going to work out, because I don't know, because the pattern has started coming off on the sides on the other pair. But yeah, and I bought this camera that I'm currently filming with, so no more crappy videos with my phone. I also got this camera from Macari, so far Macari has been very good, but it will make you spend a lot of money, so not budget friendly. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment down below if you have Doc Martens and what you do to maintain the health of them, because like I said, this is my first pair. I want to make sure I maintain them correctly and they last as long as possible until I'm brave enough to chuck out $100 or two for a brand new pair. Yeah, I've wanted a pair of these my whole life, and I thought it would be smarter to just get a used pair and to practice on them how to maintain them properly so I don't mess them up. because messing, well, even, you know, $50 is a little steep for me, but I'm cheap, so whatever. But like, I would rather mess up a $50 pair instead of a $200 pair, so that's where I stand at with this. But from first glances, I think this stuff really works. Has really good reviews on it online, and they have really good directions on how to use it. But I just thought that I would make a video of me using it for the first time. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, and if you feel the need to, which I hope you do, please subscribe. If not, that's okay, we can still be friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video.